We're here today to talk about online netiquette, something that has been imperative in the workplace. Firstly, here's what to do and what not to do before your online meeting. Make sure you arrive on time and allow a few minutes before the start to get settled. Be aware of your background and surroundings. Make sure nothing will distract you or your meeting participants unexpectedly. Appearances are everything, so dress appropriately. Bathrobes are best left in the bathroom. Test your functionalities and setup, and be sure your face is well lit. Frame yourself properly on the screen, from your shoulders with space between your head and the top of the screen. Leave the phone alone and turn on silent mode. Now you're ready to join the meeting. Firstly, turn your video on. It's simply courteous to the meeting organizer and attendees. If you're a participant in a big meeting, mute yourself. Be aware of the housekeeping rules from the host. They will tell you how and when to ask questions, interact, and comment. If you're in a small group meeting, you can introduce yourself and say hi to break the ice. So, let's get this meeting started. Keep your mic muted when you're not speaking. Avoid being active with your keyboard. This may disrupt your camera stability and affect your focus. Save your lunch for lunchtime and save your wine for supper. Stay seated, stay present. Now's not the time for multitasking. If speaking, speak clearly, concisely, and slowly. Be patient. Don't interrupt others when they're talking. Smile and make eye contact. Be aware of your posture. Be kind to your back and mind your gestures. Be sure to hang up and say a polite farewell to your fellow meeting goers. Congratulations, you're now a master of netiquette.